Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice street style, full guide. Heat a wok until very hot, add a high smoke oil, then sear proteins quickly. Push ingredients to the side, scramble eggs in the center, and mix everything together. Add rice, sauces, and aromatics while tossing constantly to coat. Finish with fresh herbs and a drizzle of sesame oil for authentic street-style flavor and texture. Start by gathering all ingredients and measuring them so you can move fast at the stove. Slice scallions, mince garlic, and cube any proteins you plan to use. Keep sauces handy in a small bowl and have rice broken up before you start. Quick assembly is the secret. Once the wok is hot, everything cooks in minutes and stays vibrant when you work efficiently and confidently. A blistering hot wok and continuous tossing create that signature char and texture in street-style fried rice. Start by searing proteins until just cooked, then set them aside. Add oil and aromatics, then eggs, scrambling briefly before adding rice. Return proteins and pour sauces around the edge so they caramelize slightly on contact. Toss rapidly, taste, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.